Hi, Jake with Crandall Office Furniture here. Today we're going to show you how to clean out those gross casters. It shouldn't really take us that long, and there's just a few steps. The reason we're cleaning the casters is they do not move freely, and one way to tell is you can roll the chair, and you can tell by the way it moves if there's something stuck, or you can grab it with your hands and see what ones don't want to move as freely. So let's go ahead and get started with that. You're going to need a set of needle nose pliers. That's going to help you clean out the dirt, grime, and you also will need some scissors. That's going to help cut that hair loose. Next, you're going to need some vinyl shine, preferably one made for plastic, but whatever you choose. Just make sure when you get your lubricant as well that it's silicone based. So what you're going to want to do is grab your scissors and start cutting the hair along the caster pin and pull that out little by little. Next, you'll want to grab your needle nose pliers and try to pull some more of that hair out, and just keep working back and forth between those two, and eventually you'll get most of that hair out of there. You're not going to get it all. But do your best to get most of it out of there, and that'll be very helpful. Once you complete that, the next step will be cleaning. And you just take your plastic, vinyl shine, whatever product you decide to use, and spray down your wheel, wipe the inside the best you can. Make sure you let that dry for a while before you flip it back over onto your carpet. That way it's not leaking and causing any stains, and it shouldn't take too long to dry, but better be safe than sorry. We're going to want to go ahead and use WD-40, which is silicone WD-40. And the reason for that is the oil-based is the non-silicone, and that will leave stains and dirty your carpet. So let's go ahead and use the silicone-based lubricants. All right, so next up, to finalize, you're going to want to spray some lubricant here on your caster pin. Doesn't take all that much, but go ahead and get both sides. You're going to want to let that soak in for a while. I'm using a rag just to help lessen the mess. And as you can see, it's not dry, but it doesn't take too long, but make sure you clean that up and let it dry before you set it on your carpet. Maybe turn your casters a little bit to help work it in there. So that's how you clean out casters. We're all wrapped up for today. Make sure you like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, crandalloffice.com is where you can reach us. Thank you very much and have a great day.